close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Glory Mtui, and in my channel is all about hair tutorial, step by step, makeup, and sometimes lifestyle. So for more video like this, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload. I started by dividing the section my top band will be, and I use hairband to secure the section, and I will use Eco Gel on this style. Don't forget, before I start to apply gel, I spray water with leave-in conditioner on my hair to make my hair easy to sleek. You know, if you want to use any kind of gel on your hair, the best way is to make sure your hair is juicy. Then you'll find even the amount of gel you'll use is less and the result is good. I go ahead and divide a small section of hair using my fingers, then I apply gel. I repeat the same thing till I finish. And since I started to use this method to divide small amounts of hair using my fingers and apply gel, I find I use less energy and my hair sleek well. The brush I use, I got it from local store supplier. So I started with big brush, then I repeat to brush my hair again with small brush, and I make sure my hair really sleek. After that, I use Gorilla Gel on my edges, and inside is yellow color, so I apply on my edges, and I use toothbrush and small comb to fix my edges. So after I fix my edges and make sure like everything is okay, I go ahead and take scarf, which I cover my hair for 40 minutes, and during this time I continue doing my other stuffs and then put on my makeup, ready to continue with our video. The hair I use is Expression braiding hair, 82 inches long, black color number 2. So I cut into 2 equal parts. Then these 2 equal parts, I divide them into 4 equal pieces. Then I use one of these 4 pieces. And this is how it look like. Very small because I want my knot band look more natural. I don't want too long. So after that, I use hairband and I attach middle of my braiding hair. Then I attach that hairband on my natural hair. Then I start to roll slowly going down. And after I feel like I roll enough, I start to grab on top of my natural hair. After I grab, I continue rolling, then grab. Keep in your mind that every time I grab under, yes, I grab under, then roll and I grab under. Then after I grab half of my extension, I remove the scarf because I want my hair look very neat and clean. And then I continue to roll till I finish my extension. And after I finish extension, I use bobby pin to attach or to secure my braiding hair. And after that, I remove the scarf on my neck, and this is the style number 1. Another style is I take a very small section of braiding hair and I attach it on the yarn, and I divided this hair into 3. Then I start braiding going down, just a normal braiding. I just braiding going down till end. Then I use rubber band to tie the end, and I cut the yarn. I use this yarn to attach under my knot band. Then after I finish attach, I cut the end. You have to be careful, don't cut your hair. Then I move my braiding hair and I use bobby pin to secure it again and make sure it's not moving. And after that, I cover my forehead, and this braiding tail I hide it under my knot band, and I use bobby pin again to secure. Then I accessorize this braiding, and this is the final result for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get something. If yes, kindly don't forget to like this video and to subscribe. Leave your comments below, please. And thank you so much for your support, and I really appreciate. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.